The Indian fintech market saw an investment activity of close to 1.5 billion last year compared to a 19 billion number that we see globally. Now, for us to really be a significant part of this global ecosystem, there are a few steps that we need to take, and by that I mean collectively all the stakeholders. The KPMG report talks about a few of those recommendations that would really help the Indian fintech ecosystem. First one is, an important one, is to set up an independent association or a trade body of the fintech stakeholders. Clearly, this would involve the startups, the banks, basically the venture capitalists, and they would provide a platform and a voice that can actually interact with the government and the regulators for its success. Something similar that we have seen is in London, which is the Finance Innovate kind of platform, and definitely that's something that we can look at replicating in India. The second one is, and again, it's a learning from UK, where how do we look at utilizing a public or private unutilized space for setting up either incubation centers or basically startup warehouses. And Shoreditch has made a huge success story, which was really an unused kind of space out of London. So we should look at learnings from there. The third recommendation would be as to how do we provide a platform for these startups, clearly who are small, and looking at getting a voice and basically a platform to interact with all the banks, not just in India, but even globally. So they would really need such a platform, and an example that comes to mind is how Israel has done this very successfully for their startups by inviting a lot of global investors and making it a big celebrity event. So these are some of the recommendations which would really provide or propel the Indian fintech ecosystem to the next level of success.